Hello everyone, welcome back. So this lecture is about set. So what is set? You know, set is like it is organized similar to list, but here like we do not have duplicate values. It no duplicate values. That is the first difference. And second difference is like you know in set we use curly braces, right? Curly braces here in set, and as in list we use square brackets, and in tuples we use round brackets. Here we use curly braces. Okay. And okay, let's start it. C is equals to, I am entering some values, 3 4 1 and then 9, then 4 4. Okay, let's enter 4 again and see what happens. I am going to print it. Okay, it's printing 1349. The elements that were present here have been ordered in a sequence 1349, and see, we repeated 4, but the 4 value is only entered once here, so no duplicate values are allowed here. Okay, going on further, let me add false. Okay, and then I can enter some string value. Okay, string value, that's it. Now let me print it again. So these will come in some sequence. First of all, it will print some boolean values. Okay, like false, then 1, then 3 4 9, and this string can come anywhere. So it will not, we it cannot be arranged in some increasing order, because all the values are not consistent, like it doesn't have all integers or something like that. So let me print this one for you. Control S, print it. Okay, yeah, see, false 1349 and that string value. If I am printing this one again, string values here. Okay, so now moving on further, what if I want to add some value, right? As we did in list, we simply appended value, inserted value. Here I have to do a dot add. I cannot insert any value at a particular position, because that is not allowed here. We can only iterate through the values in set. So I cannot write that a of this any particular number like 0 first second index. No, that is not possible over here. So I am going to add a of let's say 5. Okay, a dot okay, this is c dot add a of 5. Okay, and again I am going to print it, print c. So this value will be added accordingly and adjusted as per the increasing order. See, 1 3, and this keeps on changing. It doesn't do not have anything fixed. It can come at the first here. It will keep on rotating. Okay, and okay. So as I already have this one, okay, what if I am adding here true also? What will happen? Okay, c dot add, right? Let me clear it and print it. Oh, true is not there. Why it's not there? Because 1 is already added. Like here we have false already. What if I am adding 0? That will also not get added, because when it's setting up the values in the increasing order, right, it takes 0 or false, 1 both same, and true and 1 are also same for the set. Okay, let me clear it and run it. See, 0 is also not added, but if I will remove false, then the 0 will get added over here. Same is for true. If I will remove 1, then that will get added over here. See, here now 0 is added. Why 0 is added? Because false has been moved. Okay, now going on further, what if I want to remove some value, right? Suppose I want to remove this fourth, as I cannot remove the values by syntax index, so I will have to use c dot remove directly the value itself 4, right? So now I will print it. See, 4 is gone, it's no more available here. Okay, and other than that, like we have removed the value. Okay, what if I want to delete some value? Deleting is like uh, you know uh, remove is same as delete, right? C dot remove, but if element is not present, right, so then it will raise key error if element is not present. Suppose I am going to delete 10 which is already not present, right? See, key error is thrown because 10 is not present over here, right? And similarly, like removing the element, like for deleting the element I can use pop as well. So pop works itself, like we are not sure, what it will do is it removes the element from the set, right? And arbitrarily it will pick up any element. We are not sure what it's going to pop, but it will pop some value. See, earlier we had this string value that's been popped out, right? If I am running this one again, now string value is there, it has popped up 5. So randomly it will pick up anything and remove that value. Okay, and same thing, one more is there, like discard is there. What if I want to discard some element, right? See, okay, I want to discard, which is the value I want to discard. Let's say I want to discard some value, let's say 4, right? That is present over here. If even if 4 is not present, it will not throw any error. Okay, first of all let's run it with 4. See, 4 is gone, but I know 10 is not present here. Okay, it will not throw me any error like remove. It will just not remove that element, that's it. Okay, and this was about remove, discard, and pop. Clear is also there, that will clear all elements from the set. Okay, we do not want to try that now. Okay, then there are some other operations, right? So let me define another set, curly braces 2 4 6, add any random values that you want. Okay, and then let me define one more set, 3 6, then okay, then I am adding 10. Okay, I think this is sufficient. Okay, so what if I want to try print a of this pipeline b? It means anything which is present inside a or it's present inside b also, right? It will take the sum, include all the elements from here plus all the elements from here. Okay, so let me print this one for you. See, I am printing. See, it took this, I think it's not saved, so that's why the result is not coming out proper. Okay, see, now the result is proper, right? So it, okay, 2 1 2 3 4, it took all the elements, but it will not repeat the elements because this is also a set, right? So the result is formed is also a set. Okay, and another operation I can do is and b, print a and b. So what it will do is it will only take the elements which are present in both, like 3 is present in both, right? So it will print that 3, right? So let's try that. See, 3 and 6, those are present here. and here. Okay, that is for AND. And what if I want to try print B? Like it will remove 3 and 6 from A and print rest of the values. Okay, similarly we can try B minus A as well. Okay, and one last thing that is pending is print A, then this cap sign. Where is it, where is it? Okay, B. Okay, what will it do is it will print only the unique values which are like present in this A, as well as some unique values in B. Here like 2 is not present in B, this is unique, then 4 is unique, 8 is unique, 1 is unique, and here 9 and 10 are unique, right? So let's try that. See, 1 2 4 8 9 10, these are unique to both of them. So I think this is pretty much about set. And also uh, we will show how to iterate through the elements of set when we'll be discussing the loops. Okay, yeah, thank you.